massively important. We're here to engage with our community. We're based just down the road at Pagan Hill, and we're trying to speak to as many people regarding fire safety and get that safe and well message out to all and sundry, whether it be young families, older people, people who are vulnerable, disadvantaged groups. Our key message is prevention. So if we can get into people's homes and provide a safe and well message, which is what we do on a regular basis. Our ultimate aim is to provide smoke detectors for every house, but also if we need to provide advice on a whole range of issues. It could be anything to do with fire safety, it could be to do with people that require referring to other agencies, people that are socially isolated, people who live in cold homes. We work with lots of different agencies, so our aim is to speak with those people, engage with those people, and ultimately make the community a safer place.